Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, happy Navaratri to all of you. In today's session, I will discuss about some common shortcut keys related to MS Word. Here, a list of more than 40 shortcut keys related with MS Word. According to me, all the shortcut keys available here is very basic and useful for all the users of MS Word. So I want to telling you that please remember it if you are regular or irregular user of computer. In today's session, I will do it practically. So initially to open MS Word, press Window plus R to open Run. Window plus R. Press the shortcut key Window plus R to open the Run and type WinWord. Here already WinWord is available, but normally type the WinWord and press the Enter key. You know that other methods are also available to open MS Word. So you can use any method which is more understandable to you. So in the list here, first shortcut keys, first shortcut key is Control plus A. So Control plus A is used to select all the text available in a particular file. So here type some text. For example, here some texts are available. So press Ctrl plus A to select all the text available here. Next option is bold. So select a particular text, select a particular line or press Ctrl plus B option. Next option is Control plus C to copy the text. So here, before copy the text, it is necessary to uh, select the text or line or paragraph. So we select a last paragraph here and press Control plus C. The text is copied. Now press Ctrl plus V to paste the text. Ctrl plus V to paste the text. And another shortcut key to paste the text is also available here. So here two different shortcut keys are available. First is Control plus V to paste and second is Shift plus insert. So using the Shift plus insert, you can also the paste the text. So Shift plus insert. Next option, next shortcut key is Control plus X. That is the common to cut the text and paste that text into the another location. So is equal to rand. Again type the some text and select the text. Press Control plus X and press Control plus V. So the text, now text available here. Next, open control plus n, open new blank document. So press the control plus n, new document is open. Again, control o, to open a particular file we can use the control plus o option. Control plus n option is used to open just a new file or document, whereas control plus o option is used to open the open option. So control plus o, so to open a particular file we can use control plus o option. So here control plus O, after pressing the control plus O, a new wizard, open wizard is opened here. So select any particular file, for example Ankit, and open the file. Here password is required, but file is opened. Next option is find. So to find the particular text, press the control plus F. Here type the text, for example type U. So all the U available in the text indicates here. Next option is italic. So to make the italics for a particular text or line, control plus I. So control plus I. After pressing the control plus I, the selected text is just italic. Next option is control plus K. So after pressing the control plus key shortcut key, here insert hyperlink option is available. Next one is underline. So select the text and press the control plus U. Next one next one option is control U for underline, control V and control V for paste, and shift plus insert is also used for paste. Next is control Y for redo, or control Z for undo. For example, we delete some text here, or press the control Z. So deleted text again available here. Now again I want to delete the text, so press the control plus Y, that is the redo action. So one is undo action and second is redo action. Redo action is just the reverse function of undo action. So control Z for undo or control Y for redo. Here control G and control H, both option is used for find and replace option. So press the control plus G, here find and replace option, and again press control plus H. So again find and replace option. So control plus G and control plus H, both shortcut key is used to find and replace option. Here some shortcut keys for alignment, for example control J for justify, control L for left alignment, control Q for again left alignment. Two options available, two shortcut keys available, mentioned here. Control L for left alignment and control Q also for left alignment, and control E center alignment, control R right alignment. So here some texts are already available, so select the text after pressing the control plus A shortcut key, or press the control plus R, that is for just a right alignment, control plus Q for left alignment, a control plus R for right alignment, again pressing the control plus L for left alignment. So two shortcut keys, um, that is the control L and control Q, both is used for left alignment. For center alignment, press control plus E just for centered alignment. Again we press, when I press control plus L for left alignment, because in MS Word the default option is left alignment. The default. Next one is control plus R, right alignment. Again for indentation, we can use the control plus M and control plus T. Control M. So control M for indentation. Again press the control Z and for undo, and control, next one is control M, that is the indent the paragraph. So control M is control M. Next option is uh, that is a control plus T, hanging indent, or control D for font option. Press control D for font option. You can select any type of font style, font size. फिर again applying the different effects, for example strike through, double strike through, any other. You can also select for superscript, subscript by using the font option. So different types of. Next one is a control shift plus F to change the font. Control shift plus F, control shift plus F. So again font option. So here two shortcut keys, that is control D for font option and control plus shift plus F is also used for change the font option. To increment the font, use the control plus shift plus angular bracket by 1 point, or again you can use the control plus this bracket to increase the font. So here two options, the two shortcut keys are available to increment the size of the font by 1 unit. For example, control plus uh, using just a bracket. So both, that is the increment and decrement by using the bracket option. And you can also increment the size of the font by using control plus shift plus angular bracket. So next we select the text, or after selecting the text, press control plus shift and angular bracket to increase the size by 1 unit, and to decrease the size by 1 unit, we can use the less than symbol, that is opening the curly braces, because here we use the closing the curly braces, closing the angular bracket. So by using the control plus shift and opening the angular bracket, the size of the selected font is decreases. Next, two shortcut key by using F12 option, uh, save as option, by using the control plus S and the shift plus F12. Both shortcut key is used to save. So press the control plus S to open the save option, and again press the F12 shortcut key to open the save. So for save as option, press the F12, or by using shift plus F12. save as, and second shortcut key is control plus s to save the text. Here control plus 1, control plus 2 for line spacing. For example, select the text, control plus 1, control plus 2, again control plus 5, double for double line space, control plus 2. So after pressing the control plus 2, double line spacing applied for the selected text, or after again pressing the control plus 5, control plus 1, 2, and control 5, that is used for 1.5 inch line spacing between two lines. So here control 1 for single space lines, control plus 2 double space line, or control plus 5 for 1.5 line spacing. F1 is just the common option for help, F1. So after pressing the F1 here, F1 to open the help option, and next shortcut key is shift plus F3 for change case. Shift plus F3, select the text, press the shift plus F3, change case, uh, sentence case to uppercase, again lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, फिर toggle case. So different change cases are applied one by one. Here different change cases also available, that is the sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalized, toggle cases. So one by one each option is applied when we press shift plus, just shift plus F3. So to apply the change case, the shortcut key is shift plus F3. Next is F4. So to repeat the last action performed, we can use the F4 option. For example, we apply bold options, or here again press F4. So the selected word, though the selected word is also applied the bold options. Bold options. Next one is F7 for spelling and grammar. So press the F7 key for spelling and grammar. So here the spelling and grammar. Next one is Alt plus Shift plus D to insert the current date. To insert the current date, Control plus Shift plus D. 1 minute. Sorry, Alt Shift plus D. Alt Shift, Alt Shift plus D, current date, Alt Shift plus T, current time. Two different shortcut keys. Current date for Alt Shift plus D, insert the current date, whereas Alt plus Shift plus T, insert the current time. Next and last, that is the Control plus W. So Control plus W is used to close the window. So Control plus D, control plus W, not control plus T, that is the control plus W. So control W. So after the after saving the file automatically closed. So all the shortcut keys, 42 shortcut keys available here, is most common and basic. So please try to remember all the shortcut key during use the MS Word or MS Office. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.